Hello everyone! Let's consider Oracle ANSI in a join. In a join, sometimes called a simple join type that returns those and only those rows from both join table satisfying a join predicate. Speaking about joins, the terms predicate, condition, and criteria are interchangeable. The table before the join keyword is called a left join table. The table after the join keyword is called a right join table. For an inner join, it doesn't matter which table is left and which one is right, as the result will always be the same for the same tables and join predicate. If there is no match, the row is not included in the result. Note how Oracle transformed our query. Instead of ANSI syntax, the output is native Oracle syntax for inner join. The unnecessary keyword inner was not used in these examples. The join predicate can be enclosed in parentheses. Sometimes this improves the readability of the query, but ultimately, at the query parsing stage, Oracle will still transform ANSI syntax into the standard Oracle syntax and remove insignificant parentheses in the join predicate. To execute a join, Oracle database combines pairs of rows, each containing one row from each table, for which the join condition evaluates to true. If a join predicate evaluates into unknown for given rows from two tables, then they will not be part of the result set. Unknown acts almost like false. However, if atomic predicates are combined using not condition, then the result may be different. For example, not false evaluates to true, but not unknown evaluates to unknown. The columns used for joining usually have the same name in both tables, but they don't have to. They just need to have compatible data types. You cannot specify lob columns as a join predicate. Atomic predicates are combined using AND or NOT conditions. A predicate may not always be equality condition. It can be any expression that evaluates into true, false, or unknown. If a join condition evaluates into true for some rows from one table and multiple rows from another one, then that row will be repeated in the result multiple times. For example, join condition table1.id is less than or equal to table2.id in our example evaluates to true for the row with id equals 0 from the left join table and two rows from the right join table, so row with id equals 0 appears in the result twice. The same reasoning is valid for row with id equal 2 from the second table. It's not mandatory that columns from both tables should be used in the predicate. Table1.id is greater than 0 is also a valid join condition. All rows from the table T2 satisfying this condition and only one row from table T1 does. When multiple tables datasets are joined in a query, then Oracle joins the first two and after that joins the resulting dataset with the third dataset, etc. In case of inner joins, there are no logical limitations on the order of joins, and CBO, cost-based optimizer, can join tables in any order, irrespective of how tables are listed in the query text. Join clause may be specified in a place of the table reference. Note: queries are transformed into native syntax. I'll show you how I checked all the test cases. That's all. Thanks for your attention. See you again. Bye everyone.